Hello friends. Welcome to the channel. Today's video is about Fitbit Sense 2 Advanced Health and Fitness Smartwatch. Watch the full video. Let's start the video. Fitbit Sense 2 Advanced Health and Fitness Smartwatch with tools to manage stress and sleep, ECG app, SpO2, 24/7 heart rate and GPS, Lunar White/Platinum, one size, S and L bands included, product link in description. Click the link and buy the product. Operating system, iOS. Memory storage capacity, 6 gigabytes. Special feature sleep monitor, stress tracking, ECG, heart rate monitor, GPS, activity tracker, water resistant, Bluetooth call and message, notifications, Alexa built-in sleep monitor, stress tracking, ECG, heart rate monitor, GPS, activity tracker, water resistant, Bluetooth call and message, notifications, Alexa built-in. Connectivity technology, GPS wireless communication standard, Bluetooth. Battery cell composition, lithium-ion. GPS, built-in GPS shape, heart. Screen size, 43 millimeters. Brand, Fitbit. About this item, learn to manage stress, sleep better and live healthier with Sense 2, our most advanced health and fitness smartwatch. Operating temperature, 14 degrees to 113 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 10 degrees to 45 degrees Celsius. Band material type, silicone. Manage stress and live healthier. All-day stress detection with SIDA and daily stress management score. ECG app for atrial fibrillation assessment. 1. Irregular heart rhythm notifications. 2. SpO2. 3. Health metrics dashboard. 4. Mindfulness content measure and improve sleep quality. Personalized sleep profile. 5. Daily sleep stages and sleep score. Smart wake alarm and do not disturb mode enhance activity. Built-in GPS and workout intensity map. Daily readiness score. 5. Active zone minutes. All-day activity tracking and 24/7 heart rate. 40+ exercise modes and automatic exercise tracking. Water resistant to 50 meters, designed for all-day wear. On-wrist Bluetooth calls, texts and phone notifications. 6. Customizable clock faces, Fitbit Pay. 7. Amazon Alexa built-in. 8. Google Wallet and Maps. Google Maps on Android only. Coming spring 2023 to iOS. 6+ day battery. 9. Includes a 6-month premium membership complete with personalized insights, advanced analytics and more. New and returning premium users only. Must activate trial within 60 days of device activation. Content and features may change. Product link in description. Click the link and buy the product. If you like the video, please like and share and subscribe to the channel. You will get new gadgets videos. Thanks for watching.